VoidPrakash is an emerging research and innovation initiative focused on converting meaningful ideas into structured concepts, prototypes, tools, and future-ready solutions. Our work sits at the intersection of research, engineering, technology, sustainability, culture, and strategic intelligence. VoidPrakash was created with one central belief: good ideas should not remain scattered. They need structure, direction, validation, and the right ecosystem to grow across India and the world. Many useful ideas never reach the stage where they can create real impact. Researchers may have ideas but lack market pathways. MSMEs may face technical problems but lack access to advanced R&D support. Communities may have deep knowledge and needs, but they are rarely connected to structured innovation systems. VoidPrakash aims to bridge this gap by building pathways from observation to research, from research to concept, and from concept to responsible implementation. VoidPrakash is not limited to one product or one service. It is a research to prototype and industrial intelligence ecosystem. We work on early-stage ideas, technical problems, research frameworks, knowledge tools, and future-facing initiatives. Our focus is to identify important problems, study them deeply, structure them clearly, and prepare them for prototype development, collaboration, or partner-led execution.
VoidPrakash is built on three interlinked pillars. The first pillar is basic research. This includes deep inquiry, concept development, scientific thinking, social insight, and future oriented exploration. The second pillar is industry engineering and technology services. This includes technical support, research tools, standards awareness, problem solving, and industrial intelligence for businesses and MSMEs. The third pillar is finance, strategy, and operations. This supports sustainability, partnerships, project planning, business models, and long term growth. Together, these pillars allow VoidPrakash to balance vision with practical execution. The VoidPrakash approach follows a simple but powerful pathway. We observe real problems, we research them, we structure ideas into concepts, we create early models, tools, or prototypes. We validate them through feedback, data, or expert review. Then we collaborate with the right partners for further development. This approach allows us to work across different sectors while maintaining a common innovation logic.
One direction of VoidPrakash focuses on sustainable communities. Projects in this area explore how local traditions, ecological awareness, and practical sustainability can come together. The aim is to design community-driven models that support environmental balance, responsible use of resources, and long-term social benefit. These ideas can be developed with CSR partners, NGOs, community groups, and institutions. VoidPrakash is also exploring platforms that can make renewable technologies more accessible. One such direction is to simplify how people discover solar solution providers, installers, dealers, manufacturers, and related support systems. The larger goal is to help consumers and communities make informed decisions while supporting the growth of renewable energy adoption. VoidPrakash recognizes that innovation is not only technical. Art, culture, storytelling, and local talent are also part of a society's creative strength. We are exploring ways to support small artists and creators through structured platforms, visibility models, and community-based value creation. The aim is to create systems where local creativity is respected, protected, and connected to meaningful opportunities. One of the strongest practical directions of VoidPrakash is industry-facing technical intelligence. Many MSMEs and mid-sized industries need support in understanding technical risks, standards, materials, processes, global regulatory changes, and future technology trends. VoidPrakash aims to provide structured analysis, tools, and advisory support to help industries become more resilient, compliant, and future-ready. AI is an important enabler in the VoidPrakash ecosystem. We use AI not as a replacement for human expertise, but as a tool to organize knowledge, accelerate research, compare information, generate insights, and support decision-making. Our goal is to combine human understanding with AI-enabled analysis to build more practical, scalable, and intelligent systems. VoidPrakash also works on educational and cultural innovation. We believe learning can be engaging, meaningful, and rooted in values. Game-based learning, cultural storytelling, and regional language accessibility can help create tools that are both modern and connected to deeper civilizational wisdom. This direction reflects our belief that future innovation must not disconnect from social and cultural foundations.
VoidPrakash is different because it is not built around a narrow idea of innovation. We combine research depth, engineering experience, AI enabled tools, sustainability thinking, cultural understanding, and long term strategy. Our focus is not only on what can be built quickly, but also on what should be built responsibly, meaningfully, and sustainably. VoidPrakash is being built as a collaborative ecosystem. We welcome conversations with industry partners, MSMEs, researchers, developers, designers, NGOs, CSR teams, educational institutions, policy thinkers, and strategic advisors. The goal is to work with people and organizations who believe in responsible innovation, practical research, and long term value creation.
Void Prakash is an attempt to build a bridge between ideas and impact. It is for researchers whose ideas need structure, for industries that need future readiness, for communities whose knowledge deserves recognition, for society where innovation must remain responsible, useful, and deeply connected to real needs. Void Prakash is not one project. It is a growing ecosystem for research, innovation, and future-ready solutions. Thank you.